be recording. Yeah. So, okay, okay, sir, I will do that. I will do, it is better because recording is there. Instead of wasting time, I will tell you. Sir, go to first, our task today. Sir, you please share your screen. So I told Vijay sir to stop, I will tell. Sir, actually, today what we'll do, we'll create a MySQL EC2 instance. What is EC2? Elastic Cloud Computing Service. So AWS allows us to create a system, right? A computer like a laptop you are having or a desktop you are having. So that it is allowing us to create using the EC2 service. So that we can go by clicking on EC2 or searching on the EC2. Click on EC2, brother. Yeah. Mute yourself. Others, please mute yourself. Please mute. Someone is talking. Okay, sir, already you have instances. Sir, have you created anything for Ubuntu? Ubuntu instance, anywhere it is there?
EB2, this is the Ubuntu's one.
Ubuntu instance. Okay. So open it. Already MySQL is installed in it or not?
I think we installed, but little problems came. So
yeah, please open that. You start Ubuntu instance, or we'll create a new one.
Okay.
You launch an instance. To create a new instance, click on launch instance. Click on launch instance. And now we are creating an instance for our requirement. It may be a web server, or it may be we are using for SQL database server for anything, or connecting, using it as a client to connect to the SQL RDS. Anywhere we are creating a system now. So first thing, we give the name. Next, go down, open select the OS. We can select the OS by selecting any one of these. So now we are using the free tier, so we have to select Ubuntu or Amazon Linux, right? Please select it. Then come down. It's a 64-bit OS. Then we are selecting the instance type also. It's a T2 micro we are selecting, where 1 CPU is there, 1 GB memory is there. Okay, and we can use a key pair using which we can connect from our local system. Here key pair is created and used here, which is an RSA algorithm key, using which we can connect to this system from our local system, from our laptop. So we are creating a server which is in the AWS, right? Which is in cloud. For that, we are creating a key. So give the name, please, key pair name. Okay, then create key pair. Don't give spaces, sir. Yeah. Okay. Then click on key. Here we have to select PPK file. PPK. Yeah. Create key pair. Click on create key pair. So now it will generate a public key and a private key. It will be the key, private key will be downloaded to you. You have to save it in some safe place so that it is used with the PuTTY when you are connecting this server. Okay. So paste, Control V. So he is pasting in the AWS account folder so that we can use it further. Next, network settings. Please click on network settings. So normally, whenever you are creating AWS account, automatically a VPC will be created. Virtual private cloud will be created. There you can use any existing security group which is created for another EC2, or you can create your own security group. So already you can see SSH we are allowing from. SSH means So using putty, we will connect with this system, right? So that there we use the SSH connection. So from anywhere we're accepting, at the same time we are accepting HTTPS request, HTTP request also from anywhere. Okay, so please come down. Please come down by selecting them. Then you can increase the 20 GB. You can use the 20 GB storage. And please come down and you can click on the launch instance. Okay, launch instance. At the same time, okay, we have created an EC2 instance, right? So let us start. Then we will connect to it from our local system, okay, and install MySQL. Okay. So go to putty. It is go to putty. It is running already. So go to putty. Copy the public IP of this instance. First, open the please this instance by clicking on this blue letter hyperlink. Then you can see there the public and private IPs. You can select the public IP so that from your local system you can connect with this EC2. Okay, so copy that public IP. Then you have to install putty in your local system, right? So that putty, using that putty, you can connect the EC2 which is in the cloud. So here you have to give the IP address at the host name. Then the PPK you have downloaded, that you can give in the SSH or credentials. Open the, please click on credentials, then browse and select the key which is downloaded. Okay. Okay. SQL DB key pair. Yeah. So open it. Then it will open the server which is from your local system. You are opening the system which is in the server, right? So here we are increasing the font size so that everyone can see. Now the username of the system you have to give. Normally, if you're using the Ubuntu, it will be Ubuntu. Username will be the Ubuntu, not EC2, sir. Ubuntu, it will be Ubuntu, not EC2. Don't write EC2. Direct Ubuntu. Yeah, enter. So when we give the username and using the authentication with the key pair, it will be connecting to the system which is in the.
Hello.
Yes.
Actually, the username is it by default it is.
Yeah. Okay. 1 minute. You're saying something. Sorry. Tell me. Jitendra sir, tell me.
Hello. Actually,
Yes.
sir, in this case, we are always the Ubuntu is your username.
Yes.
And also for Amazon case, we are using EC2.
EC2, they are the default usernames which will be created, right? And you can give your own while configuring the system. You can create your own username also, but these are the default ones. Okay.
Okay. So where, sir, in which option we have to change or anything?
So in the next class, I will when we create
Okay,
again any instance, you please remind me. Then I will tell you how to create that username. Okay. Okay. Customized username. Okay. Next. Now.
Okay.
Please clear the screen using the clear button. Enter. Now we need to update the apt-get, which is the library using which we can install any software. So first of all, we need to update it. What it will do when we are updating, it will load all the recent availability of that installation file. Say we want to install MySQL. Where this MySQL is available on the net, that installation file, where it is, that file will be updated by this apt-get. So that whenever we are giving the installation command, it will automatically install that file, right? So sudo space, type sudo, please type sudo. This sudo is specifying that next command which we are executing, that we are executing with the root user. Root user means administrative privileges. Okay. Using the administrative privileges, we are executing the next command, which is after comes after the sudo apt hyphen get apt hyphen get update space update. Enter. So what it is doing now, it is updating the app to get all the links. Okay. So for different installations. Okay. So it is done. It is done, completed it. So please clear the screen once again. You can, okay. Now we will install MySQL server. Okay. Sudo space apt-get install MySQL hyphen server. Apt-get install space MySQL hyphen server. Yes, please click on enter. It is installing MySQL. Y, click on Y. Okay, so it is installing MySQL. It is installing necessary packages for all MySQL. Okay, so setting parser of Perl and MySQL server, it is installing. Okay, key buffer recover options. Okay, MySQL daemon is running as for MySQL is started the MySQL daemon also. We need not to specify separately start the server. MySQL server already started. So setting up MySQL server and all these things. Okay, no need here already. It is saying it's already running. So you need not to start again. Okay, so now we can check. We have to enable this MySQL hyperlink. So you can write sudo systemctl space enable space systemctl. Systemctl is a one command, controls one command. It's not two words. It is a single word. ctl space enable space MySQL. Enter. So it has enabled. Now you clear the screen, please. Now, so if you want to check the status of MySQL, you can use the same. You please click on up arrow. You'll get a same command. Please click on up arrow. Okay. Now you please instead of enable, use start status. Instead of enable, write status. So this specifies the status of MySQL. CTL space status. Yeah, remove E. Yeah. It will specify the process which is running. So you can see it is using 358M and CPU is 1.39 seconds. It is using and using the process ID 2482 and server is operational. We can use it. So it's an active, right? So now you can run MySQL using the simply MySQL space hyphen version. So it is saying MySQL version Ubuntu for Linux. Okay, next, please clear the screen. So now, sir has installed MySQL. Durga Prasad brother has installed MySQL. Now you can check. You can log into MySQL using by typing simply MySQL. 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 Yeah. Okay, you have to set up this access permissions also. Instead, until then, you can simply use sudo MySQL, sudo space, because it is because we haven't created password till now. So it is like that's why it is showing error. Sudo MySQL. Yes. So now by force it will open MySQL. So it is opening the MySQL, right? So now you can create any database, any table use here. It won't work clear. I think some CLS or something command it will here it will work. So anyways, you can type the command show databases, semicolon, show space databases, space databases, semicolon, go back and yeah, semicolon, and enter. So this is the command, basic command for MySQL, right? Badri, tell me any command, any create any table. Badri, you can tell any create table command. Badri,
Okay. Yes, sir.
like employee or anything, tell any command.
Create a table.
You have to specify the spaces also, okay?
Yes, sir. Create table. Table name. Employee. No. Just write employee.
Write EMP, it is enough. EMP.
EMP is there.
Create table, EMP.
No, remove that table name. Just write EMP or employee.
Sir, brother Durga Prasad, brother.
Create table.
Okay.
Table name is employee or EMP.
Go back.
Remove that one table name.
Brother, is there any your system is working? Hello, brother, కొంచెం వెనక్కి కర్సర్ డిలీట్ చేసుకుంటే వెనక్కి వెళ్ళండి.
Yes.
ఇంకా క్రియేట్ టేబుల్ వరకు రావాలి.
బ్రదర్ ఇది నెట్ ఎందుకో స్లో అయిపోయినట్టు చూపిస్తుంది, అందుకని పని చేయట్లేదు, స్లో అయిపోయింది.
Okay. Just retype it again.
Now is it okay? Okay, we will practice those SQL commands afterwards. Brother, hello, I think his Durga Prasad brother's net is down, so that is the reason he's having a problem. Let us wait for his system, otherwise we'll work on any other system. Okay, 1 minute, we'll check. Yeah, he's calling. Brother. ఓకే ఇంకొక వేరే సిస్టమ్ మీద చేయనా, లేదా మొబైల్ హాట్స్పాట్ తో చేస్తున్నారా? ఓకే నో ఇష్యూస్. Okay, there is a network issue with sir's system. Okay, Vijay Kumar sir, can you share your system, or Manoranjan sir? Have you people done the same thing which we did till now? Anyone? Sohail or Manoranjan sir? Anyone?
No, sir, I have not done actually.
Why, sir? You become little slow these days.
No, sir. Yeah, tomorrow onwards I'll be getting it updated.
Okay, Vijay Kumar sir is sharing. Sir. Yeah. Open your AWS account, sir. You have created this thing, right? Install MySQL also, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, we'll quickly do this. When the class is going on, please open your AWS console, because I'll be work. I'm not, see, we are not doing or working with the predefined systems. That means already I have did something, or already instances, maybe you want to create a new.
Sir, just I did. No, I just deleted those instances, sir.
Okay, create a new instance. Who will tell, sir, how to do the instance? Who will tell? Jitendra, sir, will you tell, sir?
Yes, sir.
Tell quickly, fastly.
Yes.
As I am telling, you have to tell. That's faster.
Okay. Yes, please write the name.
SQL DB server. Right, says it's not database, it's a server. So give server. Next, Ubuntu. Select Ubuntu.
And then please go down. Yes, start Ubuntu.
Okay, next.
Yes, please go down. Yes, go down.
Sir, see, sir, it's normally it's one CPU, 1 GB memory. We'll try to select any other is there available. Please check, sir. Please check. Now click on drop down. Click on drop down.
All are
Not there, sir. Vijay, sir.
up. Please go. Please go.
Ah,
up.
sir.
Please go.
So
20.
yes,
Here you have
we'll
to write 20.
try to select any other template. Go up little. Go up.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Please go up.
Hello, sir.
Yeah. Sohail, tell me.
In my system, everything is there, sir.
Okay. Then
Then
now why?
architecture. Sir, you are telling the architecture, no, sir?
No. Come down. It is OS, sir. It is OS. Come down, sir. Slowly come down. Yeah, here instance type is there. Click on the drop down.
Yes, sir.
Click on the drop down. Drop down. Yeah. See what free tiers are available. P2 small, 1 CPU, 2 GB memory, 2 GB RAM it is. P2 small. Come down little bit. Select anyone. T2 small. You select T2 small. We'll check whether it is a free tier eligible or not. It's on upwards. It is an upwards.
Upward. Okay. Small one, huh?
T2 small. Is it free tier eligible? No, it's not eligible.
No.
Okay. Yeah. We have to use only 1 CPU and 1 GB memory. Okay. Okay, sir. Select it.
Okay.
Come down.
Okay.
Come down. Create key pair. Sir, create new key pair. Create new key pair.
Create new key pair.
Right. Sir, right side there is
No,
create
here is
button is there.
Okay.
Select PPK.
key pair name. PPK name.
Key pair name NVR.
So you have
Okay,
to
na?
do, actually see whatever server name you have given, you have to give same name, and at the end you please add key. Otherwise you won't remember. So you can give SQL DB server underscore key or something.
DB server
And key. So like that you have to give the naming convention. Key.
Okay.
Key, right? Key.
Okay.
Key, KEY. So, okay. Create key pair. Yeah, create key pair. Then come down. Select all HTTP and HTTPS requests. Okay, come down. Configure storage is okay. Advanced details, click on advanced details. Okay. Host name, all, create new directory is not required. Come down, don't leave it as it is. Come down. Stop, select, these are the stop details, select details, come down. Okay, come down. Okay, wait it. Come down little bit. Okay, click on launch instance.
Okay.
Okay, so now it's already there. Open it. Okay, so meanwhile, open the putty. Open it. Public IP is already there. Copy that public IP. Please open the putty. You're opening putty gen, not putty. You open it. So copy the public IP and save it. Yeah, put it over there. Okay, and SSH, then authentication, click on authentication, then credentials, browse, and download. In the download, it is there. Yeah, SQLDB, not NVR, sir, it is SQLDB, sir. Yeah. Open it and open. So accept and type Ubuntu.
Something wrong.
Okay, now try to install MySQL, sudo apt-get, sudo space
Sudo space
apt-get,
apt
get
hyphen
get
get.
space update, enter. Okay, clear the screen using clear, enter. Now sudo space apt-get install MySQL-server. apt-get
Get
space install space
install space
MySQL-server
MySQL
server.
hyphen
Server.
Okay.
Enter. Why? Okay. So next command is sudo. In the notepad, please write meanwhile command which I am going to tell. If some Zoom suddenly stops, please join in the same link. Okay.
Okay.
All of you, please join in the same link. Give me 2 minutes. When I start, then next command is, you can directly type, sir. It is already open.
So tell me the command.
So sudo systemctl enable
Sudo
space systemctl
system
ctl
CTL
space enable MySQL space MySQL. Yes.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Right click. So actually you have to use a paste as, yeah, please delete all of this. The still in the end also. Yeah, enter. Clear the screen, clear the screen.
Okay.
Okay. So now sudo space MySQL. So MySQL is working right now in your system. So it came to MySQL. You can enter any command of MySQL like shows databases. Show databases. Show SHOW spaces databases. Semicolon.
Oh, sorry, sir.
You give the semicolon and click enter. Semicolon and click enter. Give the semicolon and click enter. Yeah. So it is showing the databases, right? It is working. Now we come out of the this MySQL. What we'll do, using this as a MySQL client, we'll create a MySQL database in the RDS, which is the relational database service by the AWS. From here to there, we'll connect. Okay. Exit. Click on exit.
Okay.
Click on exit. Okay. Okay. Now you close this. You close this. You close this putty. Again, we'll connect. Okay. You can leave it also, but automatically the session will be closed if it won't wait much time. So now go to RDS.
Okay.
You make it, sir. Don't stop. We need to
Okay.
connect again. Go to
Okay.
RDS.
Okay.
Search for RDS, which is a relational database service. Using this RDS service, you can create a MySQL database. Yeah, click on it. Okay. So now create database. A standard create.
Standard.
Select MySQL engines. We will select MySQL engine. Come down. We are selecting MySQL engine. Come down. Okay. So now it's a free type. It's not production. It's a free type. Yeah. Okay. Come down. Now username is database 1. Database name is database 1. You can see. Okay. You can change it to anything, MySQL DB or something. You can write it as MySQL DB. Okay. Next, admin name is the username is admin. Okay. Please remember it.
Okay.
Admin space. You create the
Admin
password.
Space.
No, sir. Admin, leave it. Remove the
Okay.
space. Come down.
Okay.
Give the password.
Okay.
Give the password. Come down.
Something is wrong.
It wants. It should use. It should not have single quotes, double quotes, at the rate. It should have at least 8 characters. Minimum 8 characters, sir. I think you have given 7 characters.
Okay.
Okay. Come down. In the instance configuration, okay, it is using 1 GB RAM and 2 CPUs. Okay. Come down. Storage classes is SSD.